Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights on the most practical products for your everyday needs. In today's video, we're reviewing what we consider the best Grip Trex Dog Boots, the QUMY dog shoes for large dogs, also suitable for medium breeds. These dog boots are more than just a fashion statement. They're designed to protect your furry companion's paws from the elements, no matter the season or terrain. Whether you're dealing with winter snow, summer heat, rainy walks, or slippery indoor surfaces, these shoes promise solid performance across the board. Let's start with the design. The QUMY dog shoes come in a pack of 4, and this particular pair is a size 8, with dimensions of 3.0 by 3.3 inches, ideal for dogs weighing between 74 to 88 pounds. They come in a variety of colors including black, red, blue, pink, khaki, and even leopard print, making sure your dog stays stylish while being safe. One of the standout features of these boots is the secure and adjustable fit. Thanks to a wide split seam opening and 2 hook and loop straps that are also reflective, the boots are easy to put on and take off, while staying tightly in place during walks, hikes, or runs. The reflective straps add another layer of safety for those late-night strolls. Functionality meets durability with the rugged anti-slip sole. It provides excellent traction and stability on a variety of surfaces. Whether it's hot pavement in the summer or icy sidewalks in the winter, your dog's paws stay protected. It's also great for guarding against sharp thorns, broken glass, or uneven terrain during outdoor adventures. Speaking of materials, the boots are made of a mix of high-quality fabric and rubber, stitched together to withstand regular wear and tear. They're also hand-washable, which is a big win for convenience. When it comes to maintenance, just rinse, scrub gently, and air dry. They'll be ready for your next outing. Another nice touch is the embroidered paw print on the outside of each boot. It's not just cute, it also helps you orient the boots correctly when putting them on. It's those small, thoughtful design details that show QUMY knows what dog owners are looking for. But here's a very important tip. Always measure your dog's paw width carefully before ordering. While the weight range can help as a guide, the width and length of your dog's paws are the most accurate way to ensure the perfect fit. As far as versatility goes, these boots are truly all-season. Use them in snowy conditions to prevent frostbite or salt irritation, on hot summer sidewalks to avoid burns, or indoors to help older dogs navigate slippery flooring with better grip. So, are they worth it? Absolutely. For dog owners who prioritize safety, comfort, and durability, QUMY dog shoes check all the boxes. They're tough, they're secure, and they're stylish. That wraps up our review of the QUMY dog shoes here on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss our next deep dive into must-have products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.